Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be walking you on the rectangular base pyramid. And don't forget to share and subscribe. Previous video, we worked on square base pyramid. Don't forget we are working on pyramid. Now, and make sure you watch the video before now for better understanding. This is a very good example of pyramid. Can you see now? I'm trying to bring it up now. I'm trying to bring it up. I'm trying to bring it up. Plus manage it. Okay. Now, can you see this is a rectangular base pyramid? It has one vertices. It has only one meeting point. That is rectangular base pyramid. And I've said it earlier that pyramid, we have different form of them, but on this video I'll be working on the rectangular base, which I will be giving out or dishing out some problems on it. Now, the first question I want to ask here, look at this question. I saw it somewhere in WAEC. Now, look at this question. It's a very good example, which it was found somewhere, one of the exams, Find the total surface area of a rectangle, of the right pyramid. Hope the question is not right. Okay. Of the right pyramid with a rectangular base 6 by 10 centimeter and a height of 8.3 centimeter and a slant edge of 10.14 centimeter. Now, what I will do, I will first try to draw. Don't forget what pyramid means. Since it's a pyramid and this is not a square base, don't forget that. This is very important. This is this. This is this. Now, that is what we are talking about. Now, they now said that the base is what? 6 by what? 10 centimeter. 6 by 10 centimeter. And the height is what? This is the height. The height is 8.3 centimeter. And the slant height is 10.4 centimeter. This is a very simple question that they can ask you anywhere. What you just need to do, make sure you go this way. And don't forget that this is not square. It means you can't say that something is, all of them are equal. They are not equal. What is there? This is a rectangular base. This place is equal to this place. This place can never be equal to this place. If I were you, I would love to title it. I will have what? A, D, C, and B. I can call this place, I can call it V. Now, I call that upper bay, which is the vertex V. Now, don't forget that my AB will be equals to DC. AB will be equals to what? DC. And also, which is equals to what? And my AD will be equals to BC, which they are all equals to what? 10 cents. This one will give us AC, which is going to be 6, which is also equals to 6. This one will be equals to what? 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Now, since I know that, I can now continue by saying that now area of the base now. Base area will be equals to 10 multiplied by 6, which is equals to 60 centimeter squared. 60 centimeter squared. Now, the first thing you are asked to find the total surface area. Find the total surface area. Now, it means base area is equals to what? That. Now, I will now go for area of a triangle. Area of triangle here, I can decide to make a diagonal. That's the diagonal. Now with this is the height, and this is this. Can I get something? No. I don't need to get, I can't get something good there. The only thing is that I can decide to have something like this. I can decide to have something like this. Yes. Is allowed. Yes, it's allowed to have something like that. Now, which is, I'm talking about something like this. Now, if from here the whole line is 10, it means here will be 5 centimeters. Now, what I will just do there is that I'll be looking for the area of that triangle. Area of triangle, which is area of this triangle will give us equals to what? Half base times height. Now, half base times height. Now, what do I need to do now? My half base times height, it means I can say that what? 1/2 multiplied by AB now multiplied by AB, which is multiplied by VP. Now, which is I'll be having now the only problem I'll be having here is that I'll be looking around for this particular area, which I'll be having VP. My VP, this is B. VP will be giving me VP squared equals to VB squared minus BB squared, which is I'll be having, hope I'm not making a mistake. Now, sorry, I'm trying to work on this. This is 8.5 centimeter. Okay. Okay, now before I continue, now this is V. Don't forget that area of triangle VAB will be area of triangle VDC and area of triangle VBC. Now, which is, I need to do those things and generate them one after the other. The first one, which I will be having the area of what? Area of triangle VAB will be equals to 1/2 of multiplied by AB multiplied by VP. Now, which I will be having VP squared equals to VP squared, Pythagorean theorem squared, which is by Pythagorean theorem. Now, by having this 1 squared minus 5 squared, that is what we are talking about. Now, this is the height. The height is given, and this is given. That is why we have something like this, which with help of calculator, I'll be having 102.8 minus 25, which I'll be having 77 centimeters. 77 centimeters after the roots. Now I will now root this, which is my VP will be equals to 8.8 centimeter. 8.8 centimeter. Now 8.8 centimeter. Now I can now go for the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle will now give me what is the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle VAB will be equals to 1 over 2 of what? AB multiplied by what? VP. What my VP is already given, which is I'll be having 1 over 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by VP is what? 8.82 centimeter. Here 1, here 5, which is I will be having 41.10 centimeter. 41.10 centimeter. Now I will move on to the next. Now that is one part of the what? Triangle. Now I will move on to the next one. This one, it means we are talking about this, something like this, and something like this. Here will be 5 centimeter, here will be 5 centimeter, and here will be 10.4 centimeter. That is what I'm getting. Now the next one will be on the area of triangle VBC, which is equals to 1 over 2 of AB multiplied by what? VF. Now VF, it means the one I finished now is from here to here. Now this time around I'm talking about from here to here. That is what I'm talking about. It means I'll be talking about something like this, something like this, like this, like this, like this, and here will be 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and here will be 10.14 centimeter. Now, with what I'm on ground, I can call it F. I can title some which is F. Call it F. Now, since it's F, I can now say that. Now, since it's F, I'm saying that. Okay. Now, with the help of my Pythagorean theorem, I will be having VF squared equals to VC squared minus FB squared, which is I'll be having 1 centimeter squared minus 3 squared, which I'll be having 102.8 minus 9, which I'll be having 93.8 root of, which is VF equals to that, which I'll be having 9.96 centimeter. Now, since I have that, I can now say that what? The area of triangle VBC will be equals to 1 over 2 of BC multiplied by VF, which I'll be having 1 over 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 9.69, which I'll be having 3 times that, which I'll be having will be equals to 29.0 centimeter. Now, since I have this, I can now say that hope you know it will be in squared. It will be in squared anyway. It will be in squared and squared. Now, since I have done that, I can now find the total surface area. My total surface area of this shape will now be equals to, permit me to, total surface area. My total surface area will be equals to, don't forget it will be equals to, firstly, what is our base area? My base area in the board, I've done that, which is 60 centimeters squared. Now, total surface area of this shape will now be equals to, total surface area of the pyramid will be equals to, I can open a big bracket of 2 multiplied by what? 41.10 plus 2 multiplied by, which is that first one, and 2 multiplied by 29.09. Now, since I have that, I will now say that plus the base area. What is the base area? Which is going to be 60. That is the. Now, Since I have this, I'll be having 82.2 plus 58.14 plus 60, which by adding up everything it will be 200.34 centimeter squared. That is what we are asked to find there. That is what we have to do. Now, can you see? It's very, very simple. Now, but this one is different from square base. Square base, we are just multiplying by 4 rather. But this time around, there are two faces, you know, this and this. You have to divide that, you have to be very wide. And what we have from here to here is 10. While from here to here is what? Is 6. You have to get triangle 1, triangle 2. And 2 of them will show face. This is what I mean there. That is why this one is a bit thick. Can you see? There are 2 triangles here. This triangle and this triangle. This triangle, and this triangle, they are equal. These 2 triangles are equal. While these 2 triangles are equal. That is what we are trying to do there. But in terms of when it's coming square, if it is square, you will be having the same triangle. You'll be having the same triangle, which is you just multiply by 4 direct. But this time around, 2 triangles are equal, 2 triangles are equal, and I need to find the height of this triangle. I need to find this. This is the slant height of the triangle. That is what I just did there. Now, before I end this video, let me try to explain triangular base pyramid. Triangular base pyramid. Can you see? It's very simple. You can book for our online class. There won't be any problem. You are good to go. Now, okay, look at this question. I have one question here that I want us to work on. Okay, now look at this question. It's quite different from the one we have been talking about. Now, this is triangular base pyramid. Now, find the volume of a pyramid with a triangular base of sides 6 centimeter by 8 centimeter by what? 10 centimeter. And a height of the what? Height of what? Of 12.7 centimeter. Now, this is quite different from what we have been saying. It's quite different. This is going to be triangular base solution. Sorry. I can call it this way. I can call it this way. Now, don't forget, this is the height. This can you see? This is triangular base pyramid. Okay, now don't forget, it's a pyramid because it has only one vertices. Very, very important. Now, we are talking about the base of 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Now, this is a triangle that has all the faces. When you have something like this, for you to find the area of the triangle, you must to go into Hero's formula. Hero's formula is very important here because you are having, there are 3 formula of finding area of triangle. The one is when angle is not given. One is when angle is given, and the third one is if the sides, all the sides are given. This one, all the sides are given. Now, this is the height. The height is given as what? 12.7 centimeter. Now, it's not the same thing as slant height. This is the slant height. Now, that's not a slant height. Now, how do I go? You can only need the slant height if and only if you have to find the total surface area. Now, if I were you, I will by Euros formula. Now I can say that what the area of this triangle, let me title this. I call this place B, I call this place A, I call this place C, and I call this place B. Now in triangle, area of triangle ABC, it will be equals to root of s bracket of s plus minus A, s minus B, s minus C. That is the Euros formula. Now, why my x equals to A plus B plus C all over 2. My A, 10 plus A plus 6 all over 2, which is going to be what? 28 divided by 2, which is going to be what? 14 centimeter. Now, since I have 14, I can now say that my Euros formula will now be what? The area of triangle will be equals to, we have 14, bracket of 14 minus 10, bracket of 8 minus 10, 14 minus 8, bracket of 14 minus 6, all roots, which is I'll be having 14 times 4 times 6 times 4 times 8. Now, don't forget that for me to leave this root like this, I must put brackets. If not, you are killing mathematics. Now, we'll be having root of 556, and we'll be having 24 centimeter squared. 24 centimeter squared. Now, that is the area of the triangle. I can answer that the volume will be equals to 1. It will be equals to 1/3 multiplied by what? Base area multiplied by what? Height. Now 1/3 multiplied by base area will be what? 24 multiplied by height is, my height is 12.7 centimeter. Now by so doing this, 3 can divide this number, which everything will be 1.6 centimeter cube. That is the volume. Now I think on this video I've talked about rectangular base pyramid and also triangular base pyramid. On the next video I'll be working on this type of pyramid, which is pentagonal or hexagonal pyramid, which is something like this. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.